to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 29 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. Hey, are you feeling okay? You look like you're in pain.
Yeah, I'm not feeling too good. I fell down on the school trip earlier and hurt my ankle.
Oh no, that's terrible. Did you get it checked out by a teacher or the nurse?
Yeah, they looked at it and said it's probably just a sprain, but I should keep an eye on it and rest it for a while.
That's good that you got it checked out. Do you need any help getting around or anything?
No, I think I'll be okay. It hurts, but I can still walk on it. I'm just worried about missing out on all the fun activities on the trip.
I understand, but your health is more important. Maybe you can still join in some of the activities that don't require a lot of physical move.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Thanks for being so understanding.
Of course. Is there anything I can do to help make you more comfortable?
Actually, do you think you could grab my backpack for me? I have some pain medication in there that I need to take.
Sure thing. Here you go. Do you want me to walk you back to the hotel room?
That would be great, thanks. I'm having a hard time putting weight on my ankle.
No problem. Here, let me help you up. We'll take it slow.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Let's get you back to the room so you can rest up. Hey, are you feeling okay? You look like you're in pain.
Yeah, I'm not feeling too good. I fell down on the school trip earlier and hurt my ankle.
Oh no, that's terrible. Did you get it checked out by a teacher or the nurse?
Yeah, they looked at it and said it's probably just a sprain, but I should keep an eye on it and rest it for a while.
That's good that you got it checked out. Do you need any help getting around or anything?
No, I think I'll be okay. It hurts, but I can still walk on it. I'm just worried about missing out on all the fun activities on the trip.
I understand, but your health is more important. Maybe you can still join in some of the activities that don't require a lot of physical move.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Thanks for being so understanding.
Of course. Is there anything I can do to help make you more comfortable?
Actually, do you think you could grab my backpack for me? I have some pain medication in there that I need to take.
Sure thing. Here you go. Do you want me to walk you back to the hotel room?
That would be great, thanks. I'm having a hard time putting weight on my ankle.
No problem. Here, let me help you up. We'll take it slow.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Let's get you back to the room so you can rest up. Hey, what's up? How was your math test?
Hey, not so great. I failed it.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I don't know, I just couldn't seem to understand the material. I studied really hard, but I guess it wasn't enough.
That's tough. But don't worry, we'll figure this out together. Have you talked to the teacher yet?
Not yet. I'm a little nervous to bring it up. I don't want to make things worse.
I understand, but it's important to get help as soon as possible. Maybe we can go talk to the teacher together?
That would be great, thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Of course. We'll get through this together. In the meantime, do you want to study together and go over the material?
That sounds like a good idea. Thank you so much for your support. I feel a lot better already.
No problem. We're friends and that's what friends are for. Let's plan to meet up tomorrow after school to go over everything.
Sounds good. I'll make sure to bring my notes and textbook.
Great. And don't forget, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. You're not alone in this.
Thank you, I needed to hear that. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one struggling.
Trust me, you're not. A lot of people struggle with math. But that doesn't mean you can't overcome it. You're smart and capable, and I know you'll do great.
Thanks again. I'm really lucky to have a friend like you.
Ah, shucks. The feeling is mutual. Let's go ace that test next time. Hey, what's up? How was your math test?
Hey, not so great. I failed it.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I don't know, I just couldn't seem to understand the material. I studied really hard, but I guess it wasn't enough.
That's tough. But don't worry, we'll figure this out together. Have you talked to the teacher yet?
Not yet. I'm a little nervous to bring it up. I don't want to make things worse.
I understand, but it's important to get help as soon as possible. Maybe we can go talk to the teacher together?
That would be great, thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Of course. We'll get through this together. In the meantime, do you want to study together and go over the material?
That sounds like a good idea. Thank you so much for your support. I feel a lot better already.
No problem. We're friends and that's what friends are for. Let's plan to meet up tomorrow after school to go over everything.
Sounds good. I'll make sure to bring my notes and textbook.
Great. And don't forget, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. You're not alone in this.
Thank you, I needed to hear that. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one struggling.
Trust me, you're not. A lot of people struggle with math. But that doesn't mean you can't overcome it. You're smart and capable, and I know you'll do great.
Thanks again. I'm really lucky to have a friend like you.
Ah, shucks. The feeling is mutual. Let's go ace that test next time. Hi, I heard you just got a new dog. How's it going?
Hey there. It's going pretty well, thanks. I'm still getting used to taking care of her though.
Yeah, it can be tough at first. What kind of dog is she?
She's a golden retriever. She's still a puppy, so she's really playful and energetic.
Oh, that's awesome. I love golden retrievers. So, what have you been doing to take care of her?
Well, I've been taking her for walks a few times a day, and I've been feeding her twice a day. I also got her some toys to play with and a bed to sleep in.
That's great. Have you taken her to the vet yet?
Yeah, I took her to the vet last week for her first checkup. The vet said she's healthy and everything looks good.
That's good to hear. So, what else do you need to do to take care of her?
Well, I've been trying to train her to do basic commands like sit and stay. I've also been working on potty training her, which has been a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, potty training can be tough. Have you been using any specific methods?
Yeah, I've been taking her outside every few hours and rewarding her when she goes potty outside. It seems to be working pretty well so far.
That's good. Do you have any other tips for taking care of a dog?
Yeah, I've learned a few things. One thing is to make sure she has plenty of water to drink throughout the day. I also try to give her plenty of exercise and playtime so she doesn't get bored or destructive.
Those are good tips. What about grooming? Have you been doing anything to keep her coat clean and healthy?
Yeah, I've been brushing her coat every day to keep it from getting tangled or matted. I also give her a bath once a month to keep her clean and smelling fresh.
That's great. Well, it sounds like you're doing a great job so far. Your dog is lucky to have you as an owner.
Thanks, I'm trying my best. Taking care of a dog is a big responsibility, but it's also really rewarding. I'm excited to see her grow and learn new things.
Hi, I heard you just got a new dog. How's it going?
Hey there. It's going pretty well, thanks. I'm still getting used to taking care of her though.
Yeah, it can be tough at first. What kind of dog is she?
She's a golden retriever. She's still a puppy, so she's really playful and energetic.
Oh, that's awesome. I love golden retrievers. So, what have you been doing to take care of her?
Well, I've been taking her for walks a few times a day, and I've been feeding her twice a day. I also got her some toys to play with and a bed to sleep in.
That's great. Have you taken her to the vet yet?
Yeah, I took her to the vet last week for her first checkup. The vet said she's healthy and everything looks good.
That's good to hear. So, what else do you need to do to take care of her?
Well, I've been trying to train her to do basic commands like sit and stay. I've also been working on potty training her, which has been a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, potty training can be tough. Have you been using any specific methods?
Yeah, I've been taking her outside every few hours and rewarding her when she goes potty outside. It seems to be working pretty well so far.
That's good. Do you have any other tips for taking care of a dog?
Yeah, I've learned a few things. One thing is to make sure she has plenty of water to drink throughout the day. I also try to give her plenty of exercise and playtime so she doesn't get bored or destructive.
Those are good tips. What about grooming? Have you been doing anything to keep her coat clean and healthy?
Yeah, I've been brushing her coat every day to keep it from getting tangled or matted. I also give her a bath once a month to keep her clean and smelling fresh.
That's great. Well, it sounds like you're doing a great job so far. Your dog is lucky to have you as an owner.
Thanks, I'm trying my best. Taking care of a dog is a big responsibility, but it's also really rewarding. I'm excited to see her grow and learn new things.
Hey, what are you up to today?
Not too much, really. I was thinking about making some lasagna for dinner. Do you want to come over and help?
Sure. I'd love to. I've never made lasagna before, so it'll be a learning experience for me.
Great, let's get started. The first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay, got it. What's next?
Next, we need to cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are cooking, we can start on the sauce. Person 1. How do you make the sauce? It's pretty simple. We just need to cook some ground beef and onions in a pan until they're browned. Then we add some garlic, tomato sauce, and Italian seasoning and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
That sounds easy enough. What about the cheese mixture?
That's easy too. We just need to mix together some ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and an egg until it's well combined.
Okay, I think I can handle that. What's next?
Now it's time to start assembling the lasagna. First, we'll spread a layer of the sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Then we'll add a layer of noodles, followed by a layer of the cheese mixture. We'll repeat these layers until we've used up all the ingredients.
That sounds like a lot of layers. How many should we do?
It depends on the size of the dish, but usually about 3 layers is good. Once we've added the final layer of cheese mixture, we'll sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top.
Yum. I love cheese. What's the final step?
The final step is to bake the lasagna in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's hot and bubbly. Then we'll let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Person 1. Sounds easy enough. I can't wait to try it.
Hey, what are you up to today?
Not too much, really. I was thinking about making some lasagna for dinner. Do you want to come over and help?
Sure. I'd love to. I've never made lasagna before, so it'll be a learning experience for me.
Great, let's get started. The first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Okay, got it. What's next?
Next, we need to cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. While the noodles are cooking, we can start on the sauce. Person 1. How do you make the sauce? It's pretty simple. We just need to cook some ground beef and onions in a pan until they're browned. Then we add some garlic, tomato sauce, and Italian seasoning and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
That sounds easy enough. What about the cheese mixture?
That's easy too. We just need to mix together some ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and an egg until it's well combined.
Okay, I think I can handle that. What's next?
Now it's time to start assembling the lasagna. First, we'll spread a layer of the sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Then we'll add a layer of noodles, followed by a layer of the cheese mixture. We'll repeat these layers until we've used up all the ingredients.
That sounds like a lot of layers. How many should we do?
It depends on the size of the dish, but usually about 3 layers is good. Once we've added the final layer of cheese mixture, we'll sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top.
Yum! I love cheese. What's the final step?
The final step is to bake the lasagna in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until it's hot and bubbly. Then we'll let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Person 1, sounds easy enough. I can't wait to try it.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.